Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Keys, Cakes, and Art. And today we are arting. I painted this cherry blossom tree, which is a part of a cherry blossoms painting series I did. So if you'd like to see those, just wait till the end and I'll reveal those paintings for you. Alright guys, so let's just jump right on into it. Since this is not a tutorial, I won't be explaining too much in detail of to what I'm doing, but I will just kind of loosely walk you guys through the steps I'm taking. So right now I'm just doing a outline to go up under my background, and I didn't get the clip of me finishing this background, so if it jumps to being halfway done to completely done, that's what happened.
Hey guys, so you probably can't tell, I can't really move it, but I got a easel. Yeah. Alright, so let's get into it. We're about to draw the cherry blossom tree, not draw paint. So I'm gonna start off with the base. What song should I listen to? Oh, I'm gonna listen to this one. I love hard rap bitch music. I am nowhere near that, but I like listening to it. She said, I wish a bitch would or something. Yeah, I wish a bitch would. Show you guys my reference pictures. Wow, the most. My reference pictures. And I don't know why, these make me so uncomfortable, like, it's giving applesauce. It's giving applesauce.
Alright, so right here I am just taking a bunch of different earth tone colors and lining them all around the tree stump. I'm making this as detailed as possible because this honestly is the main focus. Each painting that I do in the cherry blossom series has a main focal point outside of the cherry blossoms, and for this one it's going to be my tree stump. So I want it to be as cute and detailed as possible, so you'll see me work on this for quite some time before I finally move on to the next steps.
So at this point, I for the most part actually know what I'm doing. I've got my I got my groove down, I've got my base, and I knew I would have it. I wasn't really too afraid to do this one like I was afraid to do the clouds. You would think I wouldn't do the clouds for the first video, but I did. So, you guys like my hat? Hold on, gotta make sure there's no paint before I touch it. To keep that. It's curvy. Y'all wanna hear what I'm listening to?
Alright, so here you can see I have really just been consistently building up the colors and just putting them all in, I guess, the same kind of twisty turn pattern. And then I'm adding some holes to the tree because every good tree has holes in it, right? Alright, so now that my branches are all done and highlighted and all that good stuff, I'm going to start working on the base of the tree, which I struggled with quite a bit, but you can't tell in this video because I have it all chopped up. I started over like 5 times. Man, it was rough, but I finished it. It wasn't exactly what I was hoping it would look like, but it's something. So now that I have reluctantly stopped painting the tree base because it sucks, I'm just going to do the grass and vegetation around the tree. I started off using a blue background. I honestly don't know why. I don't know why I did that, but it worked out, so yeah. So at this point, I'm just adding random things around the base of the tree to make it look kind of like it's got grass and vegetation around it. But I will say that this grass I'm adding here next to the tree was a mistake because once I start adding on the branches and the extra detail of the tree, it becomes too much and I feel like the grass on the sides take away from the actual tree. So you'll see it disappear. I won't say you'll see me cover it up, but you will see the grass on the sides disappear at some point. So I just want to let you guys know it's because I scrapped it. It was just too much. It was too much going on. So
Okay, so we're gonna do the cherry blossoms, or I don't know, I guess they're not cherry blossoms, I don't know. We're gonna do the flowers for this tree using Q-tips. Well, I guess it's not we, it's really just me because this isn't really a tutorial. So we're gonna be using Q-tips, and I just grabbed a bunch and held them together, and yeah, Q-tips.
So finally, we are on to my favorite in the most easiest part, and that's doing the cherry blossoms. So I already explained to you guys that I use a bunch of Q-tips for this, and you can use paintbrushes and other tools. I just like to use Q-tips because I think it's fun. So at this point, you guys can see where I completely disregarded the grass that was on the sides, and now I'm adding some detail to the bottom of the painting. Then I'm going to add some detail to the very top of the painting, and I will be done for the most part. Like I said before, this is 1 out of the 4 of a cherry blossom series that I did. So if you guys would like to see those other 3 paintings, just stick to the very end and I'll show you. But besides that, this video is done. I'll see you guys next week. So there is no clip for next week's video because we have a painting reveal. Here is the 4 paintings of the Cherry Blossom series. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace, love, and hair grease.